Hello and welcome. Bonjour ou bien bonsoir et bienvenue. Hello, hello, bonjour, bonsoir. Good morning, good morning, bonjour, good afternoon, good afternoon, bonsoir, bon après-midi, good evening, good evening, bonsoir. How are you? How are you? Ki jan ou ye? How you doing? Ki jan ou ye? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Mwen kontan renkontre ou. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. Mwen kontan well. I'm pleased to meet you. I am pleased to meet you. Mwen tre kontan pou m konnen ou. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Se yon plezi pou mwen kontre ou. I'm glad to see you. I'm glad to see you. Mwen kontan well. How do you do? How do you do? Mwen kontan konnen ou. General greetings, informal. Salutation générale, informel. Hi, bonjour, bonsoir. Hey, hey. What's up? Sacrégle. What's up? What's up? Sacrégle. How's it going? How's it going? Sak passe. How's it going? How's it going? Sak passe. How have you been? How have you been? Ki jan passe jou yo? What's new? Sak tombe. What's new? What's new? Sak tombe. What's going on? What's going on? Sak ap fet. How are things? How are things? Tout bagay en forme? How's your day? How's your day? Ki jan jounen ye? How's your day going? How's your day going? Ki jan jounen ye? Good to see you. M kontan well. Good to see you. M kontan well. Greeting someone you haven't seen for a long time. Salye yon moun ou pa we depi kek tan. Long time no see. Lontan pa we, oui. It's been a while. It's been a while. Sa fe kek tan, oui. It's been a long time. Sa fe longtan, oui. It's been such a long time. It's been such a long time. Wow, sa fe longtan, oui. It's been too long. Mba kon depi ki len ba we. It's been too long. It's been too long. Mba kon depi ki len ba we. I'm so happy to see you again. I'm so happy to see you again. Mwen vreman kontan pou mwen anko. Wow, it's so good to see you again. Wow, mwen vreman kontan mwen anko. What have you been up to? What have you been up to? Sorry, glimem. Sorry, glimem. Useful responses when greeting people. Réponse nou ka itilize le nap salye moun. I'm doing very well, thank you. And you? Mwen tre en forme, merci. Et vous? I'm fine, thank you. Mwen bien, merci. Great, thanks. En forme, merci. Not bad. You? Pas mal, non? Et vous? Couldn't be better. How about you? Ap fè effort e bon kote pa ou. Wonderful, thank you. En forme, merci. Different ways to say goodbye. Plusieurs façons pour nous dire au revoir. Goodbye. Au revoir. Bye. Bye bye. Bye for now. Male. See you. Nawe. See you soon. Nawe tale. Talk to you later. Nawe pita. Catch up with you later. Na kwaze pita. I hope to see you soon. Espere na we pita. See you next time. Nawe yon lot fwa. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. Mba we ki lep mwola nan jou yo. It was nice meeting you. Mwen te kontan we. It's been really nice knowing you. Mwen te vreman kontan konnen. It's been a pleasure. We'll speak soon. C'était yon plezi. Na pale tale. It was really great to see you. Catch you later. C'était vraiment agréable pour mte well. Na we pita. All the best. Bye. Nou souwete ou tout sak bon. Male. Take care. Poto bien. Stay in touch. Ap kimbe kontak. I'm really going to miss you. Absence sou pral vweman tou mantem. I've got to go now. Fok mwen ale kounye ya. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Mwen dezole. Mwen dezole. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Mwen vweman dezole. Mwen vweman dezole. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Mwen vweman dezole. Mwen vweman dezole. I am terribly sorry. I am terribly sorry. Mwen tre tre désolé. Mwen tre tre désolé. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Pardon, c'est pas faute moi. Pardon, c'est pas faute moi. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. M'pa ka fè rien pour ça. M'pa ka fè rien pour ça. Can you forgive me? Can you forgive me? Ou ka pardonem? Ou ka pardonem? I apologize for. I apologize for. Mande pardon pour. Mande pardon pour. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Tan pri pardonem. Tan pri pardonem. I owe you an apology. I owe you an apology. Mwen dwe yon eskiz. Mwen dwe yon eskiz. You can blame me for this. You can blame me for this. Ou ka blamem pou sa. Ou ka blamem pou sa. How should I apologize to you? How should I apologize to you? Ki jem ta dwe mando eskiz. Ki jem ta dwe mando eskiz. I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. Mando pardon. Mando pardon. Sorry, it's my fault. Sorry, it's my fault. Désolé, c'est faute moi. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Désolé parce que moi fait waptan. Désolé parce que moi fait waptan. Sorry, I'm late. Sorry, I'm late. Désolé, moi en retard. Désolé, moi en retard. That's alright. That's alright. En forme. En forme. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Pa inquiéter ou pour ça. Pa inquiéter ou pour ça. Forget it. Forget it. Ok? Oubliez ça. Oubliez ça. No problem. No problem. Pas gen problème. No problem. No problem. No problem. No problem. Pas gen problème. Pas gen problème. Never mind. It doesn't really matter. Never mind. It doesn't really matter. Pa inquiéter ou. Ça pas yon problème. Pa inquiéter ou. Ça pas yon problème. No big thing. 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 C'est pas yon gros bagay. C'est pas yon gros bagay. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. C'est pas faute ou. C'est pas faute ou. Please don't blame yourself. Please don't blame yourself. Tan pri pa reproche ou pou sa. Tan pri pa reproche ou pou sa. Think nothing of it. Think nothing of it. Pa bay tèt ou problem pou sa. Pa bay tèt ou problem pou sa. Hello, my name is. Hello, my name is. Bonjour, bonsoir. Non mwen si. Bonjour, bonsoir. Non mwen si. Hello, my name is. Hello, my name is. Bonjour, bonsoir. Non mwen si. Bonjour, bonsoir. Non mwen si. Hi, I'm. Hi, I'm. Bonjour, bonsoir. Mwen si. Bonjour, bonsoir. Mwen si. Nice to meet you. I'm nice to meet you. I'm. Mwen kontan konnen. Mwen si. Mwen kontan konnen. Mwen si. Pleased to meet you. I am pleased to meet you. I am, c'est un plaisir pour me connaître. M'se, c'est un plaisir pour me connaître. M'se, it's a pleasure to see you. I am, it's a pleasure to see you. I am, c'est un plaisir pour moi well. M'se, c'est un plaisir pour moi well. M'se, may I introduce myself? I am, may I introduce myself? I am, m'ka presentem? M'se, m'ka presentem? M'se, how do you do? My name is, how do you do? My name is, enchanté. Mwen rele, enchanté. Mwen rele, let me introduce myself. I am, let me introduce myself. I am, ki te m presentem. M'se, ki te m presentem. M'se, I'd like to introduce myself. I am, I'd like to introduce myself. I am, m'ta reme presentem. M'se, m'ta reme presentem. M'se, Mike, I'd like to introduce you to Mary. Mike, I'd like to introduce you to Mary. Mike, ma prezente yo Mary. Mike, ma prezente yo Mary. Mike, please meet Mary. Mike, please meet Mary. Mike, ma prezente yo Mary. Mike, ma prezente yo Mary. John, I'd like you to meet Mary. John, I'd like you to meet Mary. John, I'd like you to meet Mary. John, m'ta remè fè konesans ak Mary. John, m'ta remè fè konesans ak Mary. John, have you met Mary? 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 John, ou te kon Mary deja? John, ou te kon Mary deja? John, let me introduce you to Mary. John, let me introduce you to Mary. John, ki te m prezente yo Mary. John, ki te m prezente yo Mary. John, this is Mary. Mary, this is John. John, this is Mary. Mary, this is John. John, ça c'est Marie. Marie, ça c'est John. John, ça c'est Marie. Marie, ça c'est John. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Mwen kontan konnen yo. Mwen kontan konnen yo. I'm pleased to meet you. I am pleased to meet you. Mwen tre kontan pou mwen renkontre yo. Mwen tre kontan pou m renkontre yo. It's a pleasure to meet you. 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 C'est un plaisir pour me connaître. C'est un plaisir pour me connaître. Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. M content connaître. M content connaître. How do you do? How do you do? M content connaître tout. M content connaître tout. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Merci. Merci. Thanks. Thanks. Merci. Merci. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Merci en pile en pile. Merci en pile en pile. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Merci en pile. Merci en pile. Many thanks. Many thanks. Merci en pile. Merci en pile. Sincerely thanks. Sincerely thanks. Merci sincèrement. Merci sincèrement. Thanks a million for your help. Thanks a million for your help. Merci mille fois pour aide. Merci mille fois pour aide. Merci mille fois pour aide. I really appreciate your help. I really appreciate your help. M vraiment apprécier aide ou. M vraiment apprécier aide ou. You are so kind. You are so kind. You so kind. Ou très gentil. Ou très gentil. See, I don't know how to express my thanks. I don't know how to express my thanks. M'pa kon ki jan pou m remersi yo. M'pa kon ki jan pou m remersi yo. There are no words to show my appreciation. There are no words to show my appreciation. Pa gen mot pou montre apresyasyon. Pa gen mot pou montre apresyasyon. What you've done means a lot to me. What you've done means a lot to me. Sorte fe a vle di an pil pou mwen. Sorte fe a vle di an pil pou mwen. That's so kind of you. 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 M trouve très gentil. M trouve très gentil. You've made my day. You've made my day. Ou fe jounem. You've made my day. Ou fe jounem. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Merci en pile. Merci en pile. I owe you a great deal. I owe you a great deal. M'dwe yon paquet bagay. M'dwe yon paquet bagay. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for everything. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for everything. Merci cordialement pour tout bagay. Merci cordialement pour tout bagay. How can I ever possibly thank you? How can I ever possibly thank you? Ki jan m'ap jam ka remersi yo posibleman. Ki jan m'ap jam ka remersi yo posibleman. You welcome. Ki pa anyen. You welcome. You welcome. Ki pa anyen. It was my pleasure. It was my pleasure. It was my pleasure. C'était yon plaisir pour moi. C'était yon plaisir pour moi. My pleasure. My pleasure. Plaisir ça. Plaisir ça. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. En forme. En forme. Forget it. Forget it. Bliye ça. Bliye ça. Bliye ça. No big deal. No big deal. Ki pa anyen. Ki pa anyen. It was nothing. It was nothing. C'est pas te anyen. C'est pas te anyen. Think nothing of it. Think nothing of it. Think nothing of it. Think nothing of it. Pa bay tèt ou problem pou sa. Pa bay tèt ou problem pou sa. I'm glad that I can help you. I'm glad that I can help you. I'm glad that I can help you. M kontan m ka ede ou. M kontan m ka ede ou. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Kile liye la? Kile liye la? What's the time? What's the time? What's the time? Kile liye? What's the time? Kile liye? Kile liye? Could you tell me the time? Could you tell me the time? Ou ka dim kile l fe? Ou ka dim kile l fe? Do you know what the time is? Do you know what the time is? Do you know what the time is? Ou kon kile liye? Ou kon kile liye? How long have you been waiting? How long have you been waiting? Depi kile wap tan? Depi kile wap tan? Do you have free time this afternoon? Do you have free time this afternoon? Wap lib apre midi ya? 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 What time can we meet? What time can we meet? Ki le nou ka renkontre? Ki le nou ka renkontre? What should we do to kill time? What should we do to kill time? Ki sa nou ta dwe fè pou nou touye tan? Ki sa nou ta dwe fè pou nou touye tan? It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. Li 10 pile. Li 10 pile. It's midnight. It's midnight. Li minuit. Li minuit. It's 6 a.m. now. It's 6 a.m. now. Li 6 nan matin kounye ya. Li 6 nan matin kounye ya. See you at 8 p.m. See you at 8 p.m. See you at 8 p.m. Na we a 8 nan aswe. Na we a 8 nan aswe. I can't tell you exactly what time we will arrive. I can't tell you exactly what time we will arrive. I can't tell you exactly what time we will arrive. Mbaka diyo exactement ki le nou pral rive. Pa ka diyo exactement ki le nou pral rive. It's too late now. It's too late now. It's too late now. Li tro ta kounye ya. Li tro ta kounye ya. My watch is stop. My watch is stop. Mont moyen kampe. Mont moyen kampe. My watch is slow. My watch is slow. Mont moyen pa rapide. Mont moyen pa rapide. Don't waste your time doing nothing. Don't waste your time doing nothing. Pa gaspye tan nan fe sa ki pa ka itil ou. Pa gaspye tan nan fe sa ki pa ka itil ou. I didn't think it was so late. I didn't think it was so late. M'pa panse li te ta kon sa. M'pa panse li te ta kon sa. We have plenty of time. We have plenty of time. Nou gen anpil tan. Nou gen anpil tan. Give me a little more time. Give me a little more time. Bam yon ti tan anko. Bam yon ti tan anko. It's time to leave. It's time to leave. It's time to leave. Se lè pou m'ale. Se lè pou m'ale. It's almost time to go home. It's almost time to go home. Li preske lè pou m'al lakay. Li preske lè pou m'al lakay. Time went by so fast. Time went by so fast. Le a pase bien rapide. Le a pase bien rapide. The supermarket opens at 9 a.m. The supermarket opens at 9 a.m. Supermarket la ouve à 9h nan matin. Supermarket la ouve à 9h nan matin. The class starts at 8 in the morning. The class starts at 8 in the morning. Koua komanse à 8h nan matin. Koua komanse à 8h nan matin. Can you speak English? Can you speak English? Ou kon pale anglais? Ou kon pale anglais? How long have you been learning English? How long have you been learning English? Depuis ki le wap apren anglais. Depuis ki le wap apren anglais. Could you speak up a little, please? Could you speak up a little, please? Could you speak up a little, please? Tan pri, ou ka fè yon ti pale pi fort? Tan pri, ou ka fè yon ti pale pi fort? Could you please say that again? Could you please say that again? Ou ka di sa ankon, s'il vous plaît? Ou ka di sa ankon, s'il vous plaît? Could you please repeat that? Could you please repeat that? Tan pri, ou ka repete sa? Tan pri, ou ka repete sa? Would you mind spelling that for me? Would you mind spelling that for me? Tan pri, ou ka eple sa pou mwen? Tan pri, ou ka eple sa pou mwen? How do you pronounce this word? How do you pronounce this word? Ki jan mo sa prononse? Ki jan mo sa prononse? What do you mean by this? What do you mean by this? What do you mean by this? Sa vle di lor di sa. Sa vle di lor di sa. I'm sorry. What do you mean? I'm sorry. What do you mean? Désolé. Ki sa vle di? Désolé. Ki sa vle di? What is this thing called in English? What is this thing called in English? Ki jan bagay sa rele en anglais? Ki jan bagay sa rele en anglais? How many languages can you speak? How many languages can you speak? Combien langues ou kon pale? Combien langues ou kon pale? I speak a little English. I speak a little English. M'ka degajem nan anglais. M'ka degajem nan anglais. I can speak English very well. I can speak English very well. M'kon pale anglais très bien. M'kon pale anglais très bien. Your English is excellent. Your English is excellent. Anglais excellent. Anglais excellent. I wish I could speak English fluently like you. I wish I could speak English fluently like you. M'ta reme ka pale anglais bien facile tan kou. M'ta reme ka pale anglais bien facile tan kou. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. Tan pri, pale doucement. Tan pri, pale doucement. Please repeat what you said. Please repeat what you said. T'en prie, réponds ce que dit ya. T'en prie, réponds ce que dit ya. I'm afraid to speak English. I'm afraid to speak English. M'pè parler anglais. M'pè parler anglais. Sorry, my English is not quite good. Sorry, my English is not quite good. Désolé, anglais m'pas très bon. Désolé, anglais m'pas très bon. How often do you speak English? How often do you speak English? Chaque kilo parler anglais. Chaque kilo parler anglais. How often do you speak English? How often do you speak English? Chaque kilo parler anglais. Chaque kilo parler anglais. I can read English very well, but I can't speak. M'ka li anglais très bien, mais moi pas ka parler. M'ka li anglais très bien, mais moi pas ka parler. I would like to improve my English speaking. I would like to improve my English speaking. I would like to improve my English speaking. M'ta remè améliorer anglais parlé. M'ta remè améliorer anglais parlé. You have good pronunciation. Ou gen bon prononciation. Ou gen bon prononciation. You have good pronunciation. Ou gen bon prononciation. Good job. Good job. Bon travail. Bon travail. Well done. Well done. Bien fait. Bien fait. Fantastic. 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 Perfect. Perfect. Parfait. Parfait. That's great. That's great. C'est bien ça. C'est bien ça. Nice work. Nice work. Bel travail. Bel travail. Excellent. 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 That's really remarkable. That's really remarkable. Ça vraiment remarquable. Ça vraiment remarquable. Good grades. Good grades. Bon note. Bon note. What a nice dress. What a nice dress. Elle a une belle robe. Elle a une belle robe. You look great. You look great. Vous paraît excellent. This dish is delicious. This dish is delicious. Plat ça bon en pile en pile. Plat ça bon en pile en pile. You look very good in that suit. You look very good in that suit. Ou paraît en forme nan complet ça. Ou paraît en forme nan complet ça. This style looks nice on you. This style looks nice on you. Cravate ça paraît belle sous. Cravate ça paraît belle sous. Ou. You have a nice voice. You have a nice voice. Ou gen yon belle voix. Ou gen yon belle voix. You look very handsome. You look very handsome. Ou paraît très bel garçon. Ou paraît très bel garçon. I like your haircut. I like your haircut. Mwen reme tias ou a. Mwen reme tias ou a. What a beautiful house. What a beautiful house. A la yon bel kay. A la yon bel kay. What a nice apartment. What a nice apartment. Elle a un bel appartement. A la yon bel appartement. I really must express my admiration for your speech. I really must express my admiration for your speech. Faut moi vraiment exprimer admiration pour discours là. 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 How kind of you to say so. How kind of you to say so. Je trouve très gentil pour dire un bagay comme ça. Je trouve très gentil pour dire un bagay comme ça. It's nice of you to say so. It's nice of you to say so. Je trouve très gentil pour dire ça. Je trouve très gentil pour dire ça. It's very kind of you to say that. It's very kind of you to say that. Je trouve très gentil pour dire ça. Je trouve très gentil pour dire ça. Really? I'm not sure about that actually. Vraiment? Bagay seye mba kwe sa. Vraiment? Bagay seye mba kwe sa. Thank you. Merci. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Merci en pile. Merci en pile. I'm glad you like it. I'm glad you like it. M'kontan remel. M'kontan remel. It was nothing really. It was nothing really. C'est pas te rien vraiment. C'est pas te rien vraiment. I'm delighted to hear that. I'm delighted to hear that. Vraiment content d'entendre ça. Vraiment content d'entendre ça. Thanks for your compliment. Thanks for your compliment. Merci pour compliment là. Merci pour compliment là. I'm sorry to say this, but désolé pour me dire ça, mais désolé pour me dire ça, mais I hate to tell you, but m'bara men dire ça, mais m'bara men dire ça, mais I'm angry about. M'fâché pour. I have a complaint to make. M'gen yon plainte pour m'poter. There seems to be a problem with. Semble gen yon problème avec. I'm afraid there is a slight problem with. Excusez-moi, gen yon ti problème avec. Sorry to bother you, but. Excusez-moi pour dérangement, mais. I'm not satisfied with. Moi pas satisfait avec. Wouldn't it be a good idea to? Li pa tap yon bon ide pou. There appears to be something wrong with. Ta semble gen yon bagay ki pa ale avek. I was expecting, but. M'tap atan, mais. Sorry to bother you, but. Excusez-moi pour dérangement, mais. I want to complain about. Mwen vle pote plainte pour. I'm afraid I've got a complaint about. Excusez-moi, m'gen yon plainte pour. I have to make a complaint about. Faut mwen pote plainte pour. I don't understand why. M'pa comprendre pour qui ça. Excuse me, but there's a problem. Excusez-moi, mais gen yon problème. Would you mind? Ça ap déranger ou? I'm sorry, but this will never happen again. M'vremen désolé, mais ça va faire encore. I'm sorry, we promise never to make the same mistake again. I'm sorry, we promise never to make the same mistake again. Désolé, nous promet pour nous pas jamais faire même erreur encore. Désolé, nous promet pour nous pas jamais faire même erreur encore. I can't tell you how sorry I am. I can't tell you how sorry I am. M'baka di ou ki j'aime désolé là. M'baka di ou ki j'aime désolé là. Sorry, there is nothing we can do about it. Sorry, there is nothing we can do about it. Désolé, pa gen anyen nou ka fè pou sa. Désolé, pa gen anyen nou ka fè pou sa. Sorry, but it's not our fault. Sorry, but it's not our fault. Pardon, mais c'est pas faute nou. Pardon, mais c'est pas faute nou. I'm afraid there isn't much we can do about it. I'm afraid there isn't much we can do about it. Excusez-moi, pa gen trop nou ka fè pou sa anko. Excusez-moi, pa gen trop nou ka fè pou sa anko. I like. Mwen reme. I like. I like. Mwen reme. Mwen reme. I love. I love. Mwen reme en pile. Mwen reme en pile. I enjoy. I enjoy. Mwen reme en pile en pile. Mwen reme en pile en pile. I adore. I adore. Mwen adore. Mwen adore. I'm crazy about. I'm crazy about. Mwen foupou. Mwen foupou. I'm crazy about. I'm crazy about. Mwen foupou. Mwen foupou. I'm mad about. I'm mad about. Mwen foupou. Mwen foupou. I'm keen on. I'm keen on. Mwen bonan. Mwen bonan. I like dogs. I like dogs. Mwen reme chien. Mwen reme chien. Mwen reme chien. I love cooking. I love cooking. Mwen reme fè manger. Mwen reme fè manger. I enjoy playing soccer. I enjoy playing soccer. Mwen reme jouer boule en pile. Mwen reme jouer boule en pile en pile. Mwen reme jouer boule en pile en pile. Mwen reme jouer boule en pile en pile. I'm crazy about pizza. I'm crazy about pizza. Mwen fou pou pizza. Mwen fou pou pizza. I'm fond of rock music. I'm fond of rock music. Mwen reme music rock en pile. Mwen reme music rock en pile. Do you like tennis? Yes, I do. Do you like tennis? Yes, I do. Ou reme tennis? Oui, mwen remel. Ou reme tennis? Oui, mwen remel. I don't like. I don't like. Mwen pa reme. Mwen pa reme. I dislike. I dislike. Mwen pa reme. Mwen pa reme. I hate. I hate. Mwen rayi. Mwen rayi. I can't bear. I can't bear. Mwen pa ka sipote. Mwen pa ka sipote. I can't stand. I can't stand. Mwen pa ka sipote. Mwen pa ka sipote. I don't like him. I don't like him. Mwen pa remel. Mwen pa remel. I can't stand these people. I can't stand these people. Mwen pa ka sipote moun sa yo. Mwen pa ka sipote moun sa yo. I can't stand the smell. I can't stand the smell. Mwen pa ka sipote odessa. Mwen pa ka sipote odessa. I don't like washing dishes. I don't like washing dishes. Mwen pa reme lave vaisseau. Mwen pa reme lave vaisseau. I hate going to the dentist. I hate going to the dentist. Mwen rayi al kay dentist. Mwen rayi al kay dentist. Are you sure? Are you sure? Ou kwe sa di ya? Ou kwe sa di ya? Are you sure about it? Are you sure about it? Ou certifiye sa di ya? Ou certifiye sa di ya? Are you certain about it? Are you certain about it? Ou certain de sa? Ou certain de sa? Do you think it's true? Do you think it's true? Ou pense il se verite? Ou pense il se verite? Do you think so? Do you think so? Ou pense sa? Do you think so? Ou pense sa? Ou pense sa? How sure are you? How sure are you? A combien pourcent ou kwe sa? A combien pourcent ou kwe sa? Yes, I'm certain. Yes, I'm certain. Oui, mwen certain. Oui, mwen certain. I'm 100% certain. I'm 100% certain. Mwen 100% certain. Mwen 100% certain. I'm absolutely sure. I'm absolutely sure. Mwen absolument certain. Mwen absolument certain. I have no doubt about it. I have no doubt about it. Mwen pa gen aucun doute sou sa. Mwen pa gen aucun doute sou sa. I'm sure about it. I'm sure about it. Mwen certain de li. Mwen certain de li. I don't think there can be any doubt about. I don't think there can be any doubt about. Mpa panse ka gen aucun doute sou. Mpa panse ka gen aucun doute sou. Of course. Of course. Certainement. Certainement. I'm positive. I am positive. Mwen positif. Mwen positif. I'm quite sure about it. I'm quite sure about it. Mwen ase certain de li. Mwen ase certain de li. I'm absolutely certain that. I'm absolutely certain that. Mwen absolument certain ke. Mwen absolument certain ke. I'm not sure about it. I'm not sure about it. Mpa certain sou sa. Mpa certain sou sa. I doubt it. I doubt it. I doubt it. Mgen doute sou li. Mgen doute sou li. Mgen doute sou li. I'm not really sure about. I'm not really sure about. I'm not really sure about. Mpa vraiment certain sou. Mpa vraiment certain sou. I don't know for sure. I don't know for sure. Seryeusement mpa konen. Seryeusement mpa konen. Seryeusement mpa konen. It's very unlikely. It's very unlikely. Sa vraiment pa probab. Sa vraiment pa probab. I have my own doubts. I have my own doubts. I have my own doubts. Mgen prop doute pam. Mgen prop doute pam. I don't think so. I don't think so. Mpa panse sa. Mpa panse sa. I don't believe this is true. I don't believe this is true. Mpa kwe sa se vwe. Mpa kwe sa se vwe. There's some doubt in my mind that. There's some doubt in my mind that. Mgen doute nan panse mke. Mgen doute nan panse mke. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not 100% sure. Mpa certain a 100%. Mpa certain a 100%. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. Mpa ko konen. Mpa ko konen. Do you feel like going for a walk? Do you feel like going for a walk? Do you feel like going for a walk? Ou gen anvi al fè yon ti mache? Ou gen anvi al fè yon ti mache? Do you want to go to the movies tonight? Do you want to go to the movies tonight? Ou vle al nan sinema aswaya? Ou vle al nan sinema aswaya? Would you like to play cards? Would you like to play cards? Wap jwe kat? Wap jwe kat? Would you like a cup of coffee? Would you like a cup of coffee? Wap pren yon tas kafe? Wap pren yon tas kafe? What about a cup of tea? What about a cup of tea? So panse de yon tas te. So panse de yon tas te. I would like you to have lunch with us tomorrow. I would like you to have lunch with us tomorrow. Mta remon déjeuner avec nous demain. Mta remon déjeuner avec nous demain. Would you be interested in going to the movies tonight? Would you be interested in going to the movies tonight? Would you be interested in going to the movies tonight? Wap interese al nan sinema aswaya? Wap interese al nan sinema aswaya? Why don't you have lunch with me tomorrow? Why don't you have lunch with me tomorrow? Pou ki so pa déjeuner avem demain. Why don't you have lunch with me tomorrow? Pou ki so pa déjeuner avem demain. How about joining me for a walk? How about joining me for a walk? So panse de sinal fè yon ti mache. So panse de sinal fè yon ti mache. I invite you to have breakfast with me tomorrow morning. I invite you to have breakfast with me tomorrow morning. M'invite au déjeuner avem demain matin. M'invite au déjeuner avem demain matin. Thank you for your kind invitation. Thank you for your kind invitation. Merci pour invitation lan. Merci pour invitation lan. I'd love to. Thanks. I'd love to. Thanks. M'bien reme sa. Merci. M'bien reme sa. Merci. I'll be glad to do so. I'll be glad to do so. Ma vraiment content fè sa. Ma vraiment content fè sa. Thanks. I'd like that very much. Thanks. I'd like that very much. Merci. M'ta reme fè sa an pil an pil. Merci. M'ta reme fè sa an pil an pil. That's a great idea. That's a great idea. Ça c'est une bonne idée. Ça c'est une bonne idée. Thanks for inviting me to dinner. Thanks for inviting me to dinner. Merci parce qu'on invité me dîner. Merci parce qu'on invité me dîner. It's very nice of you. It's very nice of you. Me trouve très gentil. Me trouve très gentil. Many thanks for your kind invitation. I'll join you. Many thanks for your kind invitation. I'll join you. Merci en pile pour invitation là. M'a accompagné ou. Merci en pile pour invitation là. M'a accompagné ou. Sure, thank you. Sure, thank you. Certainement, merci. Certainement, merci. With pleasure. With pleasure. Avec plaisir. Avec plaisir. I'm sorry to refuse your invitation. I'm sorry to refuse your invitation. Désolé pour me refuser l'invitation là. Désolé pour me refuser l'invitation là. I can't. Sorry. I have to work. I can't. Sorry. I have to work. M'pap capable. Désolé. Faut mal travail. M'pap capable. Désolé. Faut mal travail. Thanks for your invitation, but I'm busy now. Thanks for your invitation, but I'm busy now. Merci pour invitation là, mais moi occupé kounya. Merci pour invitation là, mais moi occupé kounya. I'm afraid I won't be able to come. I'm afraid I won't be able to come. Désolé, m'pap ka vini. Désolé, m'pap ka vini. I'm afraid I'm busy tomorrow. I'm afraid I'm busy tomorrow. Désolé, m'ap occupé demain. Désolé, m'ap occupé demain. Sorry, I'd love to, but I have an appointment. Sorry, I'd love to, but I have an appointment. Désolé, m'ta bien aimé ça, mais moi gen yon rendez-vous. Désolé, m'ta bien aimé ça, mais moi gen yon rendez-vous. I really don't think I can. Sorry. I really don't think I can. Sorry. M'vremen pas penser m'ap capable. Désolé. M'vremen pas penser m'ap capable. Désolé. That's very kind of you, but I can't accept your invitation. That's very kind of you, but I can't accept your invitation. M'trouve très gentil, mais moi pas ka accepter invitation là. That's very kind of you, but I can't accept your invitation. That's very kind of you, but I can't accept your invitation. M'trouve très gentil, mais moi pas ka accepter invitation là. M'trouve très gentil, mais moi pas ka accepter invitation là. Can you please tell me the time? Can you please tell me the time? Tan pri, ou ka bam ti le? Tan pri, ou ka bam ti le? Do you mind helping my mom? Do you mind helping my mom? Sa ap deranj yo pou ede mamam? Sa ap deranj yo pou ede mamam? Do you think you could help me? Do you think you could help me? Ou panso tap ka edem? Ou panso tap ka edem? Do you think it would be possible to take a picture? Do you think it would be possible to take a picture? Ou pense il tap posib pou fè yon photo? Ou pense il tap posib pou fè yon photo? Would it be possible for you to visit him? Would it be possible for you to visit him? Li tap posib pou vizitel? Li tap posib pou vizitel? Would there be any possibility of helping me? Would there be any possibility of helping me? Eske tap gen posibilite pou edem? Eske tap gen posibilite pou edem? Would you be kind enough to call your sister for me? Would you be kind enough to call your sister for me? Esko tap janti ase pou rele syo la pou mwen? Esko tap janti ase pou rele syo la pou mwen? Would you mind telling me the time, please? Would you mind telling me the time, please? Tan pri, sa ap deranj yo pou bam yon ti le? Tan pri, sa ap deranj yo pou bam yon ti le? Could you answer the phone for me, please? Could you answer the phone for me, please? Tan pri, ou ka repon telefon nan pou mwen? Tan pri, ou ka repon telefon nan pou mwen? Could you possibly lend me some money? Could you possibly lend me some money? Eske il ta posib pou prete myon ti kob? Eske il ta posib pou prete myon ti kob? I'd appreciate it if you could come with me. I'd appreciate it if you could come with me. M'tap apresyel si ou ta ka vini avem. M'tap apresyel si ou ta ka vini avem. Could I ask you to do me a favor? Could I ask you to do me a favor? M'kamando pou fèm yon fave? M'kamando pou fèm yon fave? You couldn't come alone, could you? You couldn't come alone, could you? Ou patap ka vini pou kontou? Ou tap kapab? Ou patap ka vini pou kontou? Ou tap kapab? Can you give me the book? Can you give me the book? Ou kabam liv la? Ou kabam liv la? Could you please take off your raincoat? Could you please take off your raincoat? Tan pri, ou ka retire pati ou la? Tan pri, ou ka retire pati ou la? Could you please take me to the dentist? Could you please take me to the dentist? Tan pri, ou ka menem kay dentist la? Tan pri, ou ka menem kay dentist la? Would you mind opening the window for me, please? Would you mind opening the window for me, please? Tan pri, sa ap deranjo pou ouvri fenet la pou mwen? Tan pri, sa ap deranjo pou ouvri fenet la pou mwen? Would you be kind enough to repair my computer? Would you be kind enough to repair my computer? Esko tap janti ase pou ranger ordinatem lan? Esko tap janti ase pou ranger ordinatem lan? Do you think you could take me to the supermarket? Do you think you could take me to the supermarket? Ou panse ou tap kamenem nan supermarket la? Ou panse ou tap kamenem nan supermarket la? Could I ask you to take me home? Could I ask you to take me home? M'kamando pou menem lakay? M'kamando pou menem lakay? Can you tell me what happened? Can you tell me what happened? Ou ka di m sa ki te pase? Ou ka di m sa ki te pase? Would you come to my birthday party? Would you come to my birthday party? Ou tap vin nan fèt aniversem lan? Ou tap vin nan fèt aniversem lan? Would it be possible for you to come here at 8 a.m.? Would it be possible for you to come here at 8 a.m.? L'eta posib pou vin isit la a 8 an matin? L'eta posib pou vin isit la a 8 an matin? Sure, I'd be glad to. Sure, I'd be glad to. Certainement, m'tap kontan. Certainement, m'tap kontan. I'd be happy to. I'd be happy to. T'ap bien content. T'ap bien content. Sure, just a moment. Sure, just a moment. Certainement. T'en prie, tan yon ti moment. Certainement. T'en prie, tan yon ti moment. No problem. No problem. Pas gen problème. Pas gen problème. Of course, certainement. Of course, certainement. Certainly, certainement. Certainly, certainement. All right, en forme. All right, en forme. I'm sorry, I can't. I'm sorry, I can't. M'désolé, m'pap kapab. M'désolé, m'pap kapab. I'm sorry, but. I'm sorry, but. M'désolé, mais. M'désolé, mais. I'd love to, but. I'd love to, but. T'as bien aimé ça, mais. T'as bien aimé ça, mais. Sorry to say that. Sorry to say that. Désolé pour me dire ça. Désolé pour me dire ça. It sounds great, but. It sounds great, but. Intéressant, mais. Intéressant, mais. Can I have your number? Can I have your number? Gage numéro? Gage numéro? Shall I call you up later? Shall I call you up later? M'dwe rele ou pita? M'dwe rele ou pita? Would you like me to send you my book? Would you like me to send you my book? Ou ta reme m'voye liv mwen pou? Ou ta reme m'voye liv mwen pou? Would you like a drink? Would you like a drink? Ou vle yon bwe? Ou vle yon bwe? Do you want me to have chocolate? Do you want me to have chocolate? Ou vle manje chocolat? Ou vle manje chocolat? Do you want some coffee? Do you want some coffee? Ou vle café? Ou vle café? Let me shake it for you. Let me shake it for you. Kitem soukel pou. Kitem sou kel pou. I can call the doctor if you'd like. I can call the doctor if you'd like. M'karele dokter ya si ou vle. M'karele dokter ya si ou vle. I'd be happy to help you. I'd be happy to help you. M'ta bien content ede ou. M'ta bien content ede ou. May I offer you a cup of tea? May I offer you a cup of tea? M'ka ofri ou yon tasse thé? M'ka ofri ou yon tasse thé? I will do it now if you'd like. I will do it now if you'd like. M'bral fel kounya si ou vle. M'bral fel kounya si ou vle. Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink? Ou vle yon bagay pou bwe? Ou vle yon bagay pou bwe? Would you like me to open the door? Would you like me to open the door? Esko ta remem ouvri pot la? Esko ta remem ouvri pot la? Can I help you? Can I help you? M'ka ede ou? M'ka ede ou? Can I give you a hand? Can I give you a hand? M'ka bo yon ti men? M'ka bo yon ti men? Let me help you. Let me help you. Ban m'ede ou. Ban m'ede ou. Would you like me to answer the phone? Would you like me to answer the phone? Ou ta reme m'repon téléphone nan? Ou ta reme m'repon téléphone nan? Do you want some more tea? Do you want some more tea? Ou vle plis thé? Ou vle plis thé? Do you want me to turn down the TV? Do you want me to turn down the TV? Ou vle m'bese télé ya? Ou vle m'bese télé ya? I'd be happy to take you to the airport. I'd be happy to take you to the airport. M'ta bien content men nou nan airport la. M'ta bien content men nou nan airport la. May I offer you a cup of coffee? May I offer you a cup of coffee? M'ka ofri yon tas kafe? M'ka ofri yon tas kafe? Yes, please. Yes, please. Oui, t'en prie. Oui, t'en prie. Yes, I'd love to. Yes, I'd love to. Oui, m'ta bien aimé ça. Oui, m'ta bien aimé ça. Yes, that would be great. Yes, that would be great. Oui, ça t'a bien intéressant. Oui, ça t'a bien intéressant. Yes, please, that would be lovely. Yes, please, that would be lovely. Oui, t'en prie, ça t'a bien aimable. Oui, t'en prie, ça t'a bien aimable. Yes, if you wouldn't mind. Yes, if you wouldn't mind. Oui, si ça pas dérange ou. Oui, si ça pas dérange ou. That's very kind of you. That's very kind of you. M'trouve ou très gentil. M'trouve ou très gentil. That sounds nice. That sounds nice. Intéressant. Intéressant. Thank you. I'd like to. Thank you. I'd like to. Merci. M'ta bien aimé ça. Merci. M'ta bien aimé ça. No thanks. No thanks. No merci. No merci. It's okay. I can do it myself. It's okay. I can do it myself. En forme, m'ka fel pou kont mwen. En forme, m'ka fel pou kont mwen. Thank you for your kindness, but I can do it myself. Thank you for your kindness, but I can do it myself. Merci pou gentillesse ou, men mwen ka fel pou kont mwen. Merci pou gentillesse ou, men mwen ka fel pou kont mwen. Don't worry, I can do it. Don't worry, I can do it. Pa inquiété ou, m'ka fel. Pa inquiété ou, m'ka fel. I appreciate that, but I can do it myself. I appreciate that, but I can do it myself. M'apprécier ça, men mwen ka fel pou kont mwen. M'apprécier ça, men mwen ka fel pou kont mwen. Can I use your pen, please? Can I use your pen, please? Tant pis, m'ka utiliser pli mouan. Tant pis, m'ka utiliser pli mouan. Can I sit here? Can I sit here? M'ka chita la. M'ka chita la. Is it okay if I sit here? Is it okay if I sit here? Pa gen problem si m'chita la. Pa gen problem si m'chita la. Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question? M'ka pose yon question? M'ka pose yon question? May I use your computer? May I use your computer? M'ka utiliser ordinateur la? M'ka utiliser ordinateur la? May I come in? May I come in? M'ka entre? M'ka entre? Can I take a look at your book? Can I take a look at your book? M'ka fè yon ti gade nan livwa? M'ka fè yon ti gade nan livwa? Do you mind if I turn down the TV? Do you mind if I turn down the TV? Sa ap deranje ou si m'bese volume tele ya? Sa ap deranje ou si m'bese volume tele ya? Do you mind if I use your phone? Do you mind if I use your phone? Sa ap deranje ou si m'utilize téléphone ou an? Sa ap deranje ou si m'utilize téléphone ou an? Would you mind if I opened the window? Would you mind if I opened the window? Sa tap deranje ou si m'te ouvri fenêtre la? Sa tap deranje ou si m'te ouvri fenêtre la? If you don't mind, I'd like to smoke. If you don't mind, I'd like to smoke. Si sa pap deranje ou, m'ta remen fime. Si sa pap deranje ou, m'ta remen fime. I wonder if I could borrow your car for a few days. I wonder if I could borrow your car for a few days. Map mandem si m'tap ka prete machine ou an pou kek jou. Map mandem si m'tap ka prete machine ou an pou kek jou. Would it be alright if I borrowed your phone? Would it be alright if I borrowed your phone? Sa pa tap deranje ou si m'te prete téléphone ou an? Sa pa tap deranje ou si m'te prete téléphone ou an? Sure. Certainement. Sure. Sure. Certainement. Certainement. Sure. Go ahead. Sure. Go ahead. Yeah, continue. Yeah, continue. No problem. No problem. Pas gen problème. Pas gen problème. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Oui, ou capable. Oui, ou capable. Please, feel free. Please, feel free. Tant pis, mets-toi à l'aise. Tant pis, mets-toi à l'aise. I don't mind. I don't mind. Ça pa déranger. Ça pa déranger. I'm afraid not. I'm afraid not. Désolé, ça pas possible. Désolé, ça pas possible. I'm afraid, but you can't. I'm afraid, but you can't. Désolé, mon pap capable. Désolé, mon pap capable. I'm sorry, but that's not possible. I'm sorry, but that's not possible. Désolé, mais c'est pas possible. Désolé, mais c'est pas possible. No, you cannot. No, you cannot. Non, ou pas capable. Non, ou pas capable. You couldn't do that. You couldn't do that. Ou pas tap ka fè ça. Ou pas tap ka fè ça. Sorry, you are not permitted. Sorry, you are not permitted. Désolé, ou pas gen permission. Désolé, ou pas gen permission.